The list of those eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine continues to grow.
Thanks for joining us. The Amarillo VA has expanded their list of who is now eligible to receive a COVID-19 vaccine from their facility. KAMR Local 4's Ali Cassetti has the latest on who can now stop by the VA to receive their COVID-19 vaccine. That story topping our news tonight at 10 as we bring you facts, not fear.
We will vaccinate any veteran, regardless of if they're eligible for VHA care or not.
As of Monday, the Amarillo VA now offers both Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines to all veterans, their caregivers.
For example, if I am a veteran, and so if I have somebody who assists me in my transportation needs or assists me with shopping, they are a caregiver, and we will vaccinate them if they want to be vaccinated.
Spouses.
If there's a former spouse of a veteran, that veteran's passed away, we can still vaccinate that spouse member.
And beneficiaries under the Save Lives Act. Since this expansion of eligibility, Dr. Gonzalez says they haven't seen a big uptick in their numbers. However, even before Monday, they were still able to put the vaccines to use.
At the end of the day, sometimes we have some doses that would get wasted, and we have offered them to people. And so we have vaccinated several dozen other individuals that would have met one of those definitions in the past.
And as of recent, Dr. Gonzalez shares that 34% of the veterans enrolled in their healthcare system have been vaccinated. However, he mentions that number could be higher.
Many veterans may have gotten their vaccine from a community source, such as the Civic Center, Public Health Department, or one of the local pharmacies. And if they haven't shown us the card where we've been able to document it, we wouldn't have those in that 34% yet.
But regardless of where the vaccinations take place, Dr. Gonzalez encourages everyone who wants a vaccine to go get it.
We want to vaccinate every veteran that wants to be vaccinated, and I would encourage all veterans and now any spouses or caregivers to please consider getting vaccinated. If so, let us know, and we're happy to vaccinate you.
Additionally, Dr. Gonzalez says that the vaccine is completely free, and for anyone who's already enrolled with their healthcare system, he says appointments are preferred, but you can just show up at their clinic. In studio, Ali Cassetti, KAMR Local 4 News. Jackie.
Ali, thank you. Dr. Gonzalez reminds us that it is strongly recommended to get the second dose of the vaccine at the same location where you got the first.